Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
I mean, I said them all can represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch nothing hear that. Them all can say that. Oh no.
Yeah, this is the Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual. Messenger said alright. Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me there. Whoa. You know the style me there. I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know.
Yo, Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
Take it down a bit. Let me introduce to you this veteran artist. All the way from Jamaica, but he resides in Montreal. Back in the days, he used to be with a group called the Maytones. One of his biggest song is one called Money Worries. The same problem we all have. So give it up for Vernon Maytone out of Montreal.
Oh yeah! Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Mind your mouth. I miss a mind what's coming out. Watch your speech. I miss a mind your mouth. Mind what's coming out. Watch your speech. Better think before you talk. Mind you get in trouble. The words you say cannot be replaced. So mind your big mouth. Mind what's coming out. Watch your speech. I mean say mind your mouth. Your big mouth. Mind what's coming out. Watch your speech. You say things that you shouldn't. Then you say you're sorry. But all time people used to say, sorry can't buy soldier Larry. Mind your damn mouth. Mind what's coming out. Watch your speech. Mind your mouth, your big mouth. Mind what's coming up. Watch your speech. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mind your big mouth. Chatterbox. Sorry, but all time people used to say, sorry can't buy soldier Larry. Mind your mouth. I mean say mind what's coming out. Watch your speech. Watch your speech I tell you. I mean say mind your mouth. Mind what's coming out. Watch your speech. Better think before you talk. Mind you get in trouble. The words you say cannot be erased. So mind your mouth. I mean say mind what's coming out. Watch your speech. Watch your speech I tell you. I mean say mind your mouth. Mind what's coming out. Watch your speech. Mind your mouth, mind your big mouth. Mind your mouth. Whoa, whoa. Mind your big mouth.
doesn't have money worries nowadays? Unless you're rich. All right, give it up for Mr. Vernon Maytone, all the way from Montreal.
Yeah, this is Lucian the Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. All right.
Good.
Kings of Kings promotion. Enough respect. Give thanks for the great show and the turnout and the people really supported Kings of Kings promotion. And I was just honored to be a part of this and this promotion.
Blessed love.
It's an honor. Kings of Kings
Blessed
promotion.
love. Kings of
Char
Kings.
David, enough respect. Mr. Char
Kings of
David.
Kings.
Honor. Kings of Kings.
Yes, Kings of Kings. Bless up.
Bless.
Yeah, messenger.